So you want to gain your first 100 subscribers on YouTube. Well, let's dive right in, and I'm going to tell you exactly how you can. I'm going to tell you guys exactly how I made it to 100 subscribers, and it is not hard at all. And if you follow these steps, I promise you, you will grow in no time. Stick to the very end for the biggest hack that will get you the most subscribers out of everything that I tell you. If you already don't know, those of you who don't know, this channel is All Things Marine, and I post daily marine life content on all kinds of ocean life, sharks, jellyfish, you name it, I'll make a video about it. I post 1 to 2 times daily, and I'll leave my Instagram below as well. Not my personal, but I'll leave my marine life Instagram down below. But first of all, I want to say thank you for giving me 100 subscribers. But I want you guys to stick to the end to know my hack to get to 100 subscribers, my first 100 subscribers. As many of you know, I just hit 100 subscribers. I started gaining these subscribers about a week ago, and now I'm already at 100. And a lot of people will tell you that your first 100 subscribers are the hardest thing to do. And it might sound difficult, but if you do these things, I promise you, you will be at 100 subscribers in no time. The first strategy, the very first thing that I did when I started on YouTube is I sent this YouTube channel to all my friends and family members. And I said, hey, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to me. And a lot of times, if you send that to your friends, they are going to subscribe. That will give you an initial boost of subscribers to start off your channel right, to give you an initial boost. It may not give you like a whole lot, depending on how many friends and family you would get to subscribe, but it will definitely make a difference in the beginning stages of your channel. Two is going to be, look at the YouTube settings. Go on YouTube Studio. Go ahead and download that app if you haven't already. Download YouTube Studio and look at your analytics. Use tags, edit your videos, and look at your analytics. Also, I'm going to put a link down below to something called TubeBuddy. It is a Chrome extension, and it has helped me out in knowing which tag. It will help you out in knowing what tags that you need to use for your video to be seen when people are searching for a video like yours. Tags are very important in getting you exposure out there. And I know I don't have that many views right now, but it is a good way. That is a way that I have approached it. And I've used a lot of these tags and methods that you can get to in YouTube Studio. TubeBuddy is very helpful, and I'll leave a link to that down below. It's free, completely free. If you want more features, you can do a subscription, but I don't recommend it if you're just starting off. But number 2 is always look at the settings and edit your videos to where you will be seen. Make sure you check all that out. 3 is going to be social media. Social media is an excellent way to get your name out there if you haven't already. Go ahead and post your YouTube on Snapchat, on Instagram, even TikTok. Put it in the link of your bio in all these social media sites. And simply you could do a story and say, swipe up, follow me, subscribe to me on YouTube. Something as simple as that. And people will do it. There may not be as many as if you send it to people, but it will still gain subscribers over time. And if you leave that in your bio, people will gradually start coming in. The traffic will start coming in, and you will gain subscribers from that. Facebook is another one that I've actually recently been expanding into. I recently went back on my Facebook, and I haven't been on Facebook in forever. But I went on there and I joined a bunch of Facebook groups about marine life. Now this applies to any niche. If your niche is gaming, sports, reaction videos, arts, crafts, nature, photography, anything like that, join a Facebook group and be active in it. And when you feel comfortable in the group, incorporate your YouTube channel in there somewhere, but do not just simply say, hey, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't do that. You need to sell yourself to them, and you need to make them want to subscribe by saying, I really enjoy, you need to write a paragraph about, hey, I'm new here. I'm excited to see this content. I'm very pleased with the content that I'm seeing in this Facebook group, and I feel very welcomed here. Things like that. And then you need to incorporate at the end a link to your channel and say, also, I'm getting started on YouTube and I would appreciate any support I could get. I left the link down below if you'd like to go check it out. I'd be very appreciative. Something like that will bound to get you at least a few viewers, if not a couple of subscribers as well. This is my hack. This is the big hack. This will gain you subscribers the most out of all of these that I've listed. This one will probably give you the most initially, and this will help you especially in getting that first 100 subscribers. This has helped me a lot, and it is a very useful hack. You need to be the first to comment on big channels in your niche. And how you do that is you turn on those post notifications for those big channels. And when you turn on those post notifications, you're going to get notified when those channels in your niche post. And when those channels post, you immediately need to go on that channel, that video, and you need to leave a comment. And then you need to like that comment. And then if you have another Google account, which I have another one for school, if you have another Google account, go to that video on the other video, go to that video on your other Google account, and you need to like that and then drop a comment. If you are quick enough, that will be one of the top comments. That will get your name out there. People will see that. Some people will subscribe if it's a funny comment. And it has really helped me out. It's what I've been doing a whole lot. Some of you have discovered me through me doing this technique. If that's not evidence that this works, I don't know what does. Now, when people reply to that comment, you need to reply to them as well, and you should subscribe to them so you're letting them know, hey, I appreciate you for doing that. Just remember, when you're making your channels, when you're starting out, stay confident, stay consistent, and never give up. Don't give up. That's the biggest, those three things: consistency, confidence, and don't give up. Do not give up. That's the three main takeaways from this video that you need to know besides the tips that I've said. I'm going to leave my Instagram down below, the Marine Life Instagram, where I post daily pictures of marine life that you may not see on this channel. A lot of it is from this channel, and a lot of it goes around with this channel. I post updates about videos on that Instagram, and I will also add a link, of course, to TubeBuddy that I mentioned before, and that will help you with your video editing. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you all can take something away from this and help you guys grow. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, just drop a comment down below. Let me know what's going on, and I will be sure to respond. That's another thing. Always respond to your comments. But hope you all enjoyed, and next time on All Things Marine.